What I'm going to talk about today is about a top gasket. This thing is Ford Range, and it's an America car, Ford Ranger. The thing burn top gasket and miss water. It was the mistake that a mechanic who do it for the first time made. He turned the top gasket. Maybe he didn't get exactly the goal that he is supposed to sit on, because every motor has its own, and it's different between a little different may make cause of the top gasket to burn. It won't burn. The water has to go back within the thing burn and miss water to the engine, and the thing rise and everywhere. Today now that we have coupled the Ford Ranger, now that it's steam, we just finish it right now. So what will make that to cause overheat is that when it goes, because the thing have many goes like all these things, and like this goes, this person is where I'm putting the water, this one is goes water line who goes to the radiator. So the radiator is not, they didn't wash it at the first time that the thing burn top gasket. That's the reason why the thing continue overheat and also burn the top gasket. But now right now we have correct it and wash the radiator and wash this flush, this we have flush it well and flush the engine with the old dryer. Right now that everything is okay. The motor is not steaming well.